Come show them your cut, girl. Look at her. You look cute, mommy. Y'all, she is so freaking cute. I had her at the groomers all day, y'all. Oh, yeah, and I got my nails redid. I don't know why y'all let me get that ugly brown color. That was so... I would say that brown color is not me, but I chose it, right? Like, I picked that color out. That color was definitely a choice. Yeah, so I'm going to have to clean up a little bit because I'm going to start cooking. And I'm going to just clean up because I hate cleaning in a dirty kitchen. I just hate it. So I'm going to clean up a little bit and I'm going to make nothing too fancy. I ain't been in the mood to really cook, so I'm just gonna throw this salmon and broccoli and some potatoes in the oven, season it, garlic, butter. You gotta do. Y'all, she is so tired. Like, she's been in the groomers all day. My little baby. She got new bows. I wish I would have did a different color instead of orange and green, but I can't kiss you right now. I got on lip gloss. This is my little baby, y'all. This is my little baby. She said, Mama, she been in the groomers all day with them loud ass dogs. She said, I am tired. You tired, mommy? You ready to eat? Yeah. She is such a baby, y'all. That's why I named her baby, because she acts like a baby. I think she only acts like this with me because with everybody else, she like bites them. You look so cute with your new cut. So who look better, me or baby? Me or baby? She might got me beat though, but I mean, my beautician, she came through, girl. Your beautician, she came through too, girl. Period. You look cute. You look cute, mommy. Lay on me. Oh, she's so cute. So yeah, I'm about to give her, not give her, but I'm about to clean up my kitchen because my kitchen is a hot mess. Look, she loves these. She loves these little doggy snacks. She loves these. You gonna eat that? Okay. All right. So yeah, I'm about to wash my hands before I do anything else since I've been touching her. And I'm gonna clean up my kitchen. Not that it's that dirty, but I got dishes and stuff everywhere. my gosh, y'all. I'm so ready for Sex in the City. And just like that, a new... Okay, period, because I'm on HBO Max, period, girl. I'm watching it, girl. I'm watching it.
V101. Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Been too long for...
Oh, hey guys. Okay, so I just got here to Costco. I just left class. I didn't stay at the library or nothing. I just went to class. Because girl, it's the end of the year. Look, I done put all my work in all semester. I'm not, it's the end of the semester. I done put my time in. Girl, my grades are good, honey. I'm not staying here. So I'm at Costco, and mind you, I've never shopped at like stores like Costco and Sam's. So I don't know what the fuck be going on. But yeah, my dad gave me a Costco card. So, yeah, my dad gave me a Costco card solely really for gas. Because gas is expensive right now everywhere. Just, everyone already knows that. But so I use my Costco card only for gas. Well, I've been solely using it just for gas. And I really need some like toilet paper and some toilet tissue. I mean some paper towels and some what did I say? Toilet paper? What is going on with my brain? But yeah, I need like tissue and paper towels. So I thought maybe I should come to Costco's and maybe like get a big thing of tissue and toilet and paper towels so that I won't have to keep buying any. When I think of Costco's and I think of Sam's, I think of like, okay, you about to like stock up. You better go and get something wholesale. That's what I think about when I think about Costco. Well, really Costco and Sam's, but I'm at Costco. So, and it's only me. Like, I stay by myself. So, like, it's like I don't really like to stock up on food because I stay by myself and food expires. So, yeah, this is my first time at Costco. I'm about to see what they have in here. See what they have to offer. I do want to get some new Christmas ornaments for my tree. So if they have some ornaments, I'm gonna buy them here. If not, I'm just gonna go down the street to I think Lowe's is the closest to me. I might go to Lowe's and buy some new ornaments for my tree because yes, I want some white ornaments for my tree so bad. Because I have red, blue, and gold, but it just is giving grandma. Like, it's giving grandma. So I want to get some new ornaments. Hopefully Costco has some. If not, I'll probably just go up the street to Lowe's, like I said. So yeah, we about to go in here and see what they got. I wonder if they have good box pizzas, because I heard Sam's have good box pizzas. So yeah, I'm about to go in here really quickly and see what they got. And yeah, let me make sure I got my Costco card, because I would hate to get to the register and they be like, are you a membership here? But can't you like give them your name or something? They can look up your info. I don't know. Let me take my wallet. I have my backpack right here. I don't have my purse, so I might have to just take my wallet. I really don't want to do that, especially around this time of the year. Like, you really shouldn't be having your wallet in your hand, because, girl, they snatching out here. They snatching. So I'm going to put on my mask, and I'll probably catch y'all in a sec. I really just want white.
I mean, you can come on weekends and visit me. That's fine, but I mean, that's a tool.
Okay, guys, so I just got back to my apartment from Costco's. I did go to Lowe's, but they didn't have much of anything as far as like ornaments and stuff like that, because I really wanted some white ornaments, but they didn't have any. So I didn't want to settle, so I just went with my first mind. Hold on. I just went with my first mind and just was like, you know, I'm not going to get any ornaments. I really wanted to put up my tree today, but I couldn't find any white ornaments, and I'm just tired of being out. So I'm back at the house. This is where I put my toilet paper and paper towels. I've already started bagging some of this up, so I'm gonna just finish. And yeah. Oh, also after this video, I'm gonna show you guys, I got a package from Dollskill, so I want to open up that package with you guys and show you guys what I got. I'm not gonna pair them with anything. I'm gonna just throw them on so you guys can get the whole look of how they look on. They're nothing but just 2 pairs of boots that I got. So yeah, I'm about to organize my toilet tissue and paper towels, and yeah. Welcome back to my channel. It's Tina J, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if you can like this video, I would really appreciate it. I've been vlogging all day, and I don't think I cordially opened up with the introduction. I really don't care for introductions. I really just like to get into whatever I'm doing. I'm sitting here right now because I wanted to open up a package with you guys. I got a package from is it Dollskill? I got a package from Dollskill, and I really want to open it up with you guys. And I got some boots. I mean, it's better if I just show y'all. So I did get some boots, okay, because it is fall, it's winter, so it's time to have some boots. And I've never really had thigh-high boots before, so I'm super excited to see how these are going to turn out. And I've shopped on Dollskill before. I really love their pieces. Just really edgy and grungy. And they really have different unique pieces that I really like. So, and they had a sale too, because girl, Dollskill is not expensive, but it's definitely like, you're going to spend money, but you're going to get good quality stuff. I got a free little makeup bag, which would definitely come in handy when I'm traveling. So this is the inside. And then this is the front. Super freaking cute. I love free stuff. Ah! I love free stuff. So this is super cute. We could just set this right here. All right, let's see what these Let's see what these boots giving, because I just hate when you like get stuff and you like, I hope it's cute. Okay, so like I said, I love that new boot smell, new shoe smell. So like I said before, I did order some thigh-high boots. Girl, Dollskill is gonna get my life together. Look at that. Ooh, crap. And I'm a 7.5, so I got a 7.5. These are, what? Girl, and look at the bottom. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking cute. This is going all the way up my leg, and I have long legs, so oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. Look at this. And I'm smelling it because I'm just iffy like that. This is so freaking cute. Oh, girl, I can't wait. And it has a zipper right here. It has a zipper right here. So, girl, you're going to have to slide. Your girl going to have to slip and slide into these, honey. Cute, cute. Okay, I just want to make sure the other shoe is in here. Okay, so I'm obviously gonna try these on with a cute little look for y'all, but ooh, girl, that is a bad boot. Girl, I love the winter time, just layering up like this. Yeah, super cute. Let's see. Yeah, I literally bought the same boot twice. Pretty much. I literally bought the same boot twice. Okay, so this one is more classier. I feel like because it has the black bottom. The black bottom. But they're super long. These are cute. Oh my gosh, and this one also has like the zipper right here. So super freaking cute. I also got these in a 7.5. They feel like really sturdy, like good material. So I'm super excited about the looks that's gonna be giving. Because I don't have any cute, like, I really need to step up my boot game. Like, I have some ankle boots with like a little chunky heel on it, but that's it. And then I got one pair of Ugg shoes. Like, I need to give me some more Uggs. Girl, I need to step my boot game up.